Welcome everybody to today's Video Guys News Day Tuesday. Today's show is about the NewTek TriCaster Mini promotions that NewTek has put on for Q1 of this year. It's the first quarter through March. They've got some spectacular deals where you can save thousands of dollars on a TriCaster Mini. So I'm going to jump right into this. Let's talk about the TriCaster Mini Advanced. I think a lot of you might know about the product, but some of you may not. It is a dedicated video live production and live streaming solution. You get a complete production system. It's portable. It can fit in a backpack or a case. We're going to show you that. HD switching. You get 8 external inputs, of which 4 are on the unit, either 4 SDI or 4 HDMI, plus 4 NDI, as well as 4 outputs. You can bring in lower thirds. You can bring in other devices via NDI. You can stream to Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and more. It's got built-in titling, motion graphics, lower thirds, multi-channel audio mixing. We do our show that you're watching today on the TriCaster TC1. That's the big brother of this product. The TC Mini is great for people getting started with solutions for under $10,000. So I want to get into this with the TriCaster Mini, but what we're going to show you is right over here, I've got a case. And in this case, this is the actual travel case with the Mini HD 4i solution you see over there. So Eddie's going to switch me to the top view camera, and I'm going to open up the case. All right, we're going to show you what's in this puppy and how it gets done. So here's the case. It's a heavy-duty travel case. What do we have in here? Of course, we have the TriCaster Mini. So I'm going to pull that out first. Here's the TriCaster Mini unit. This is the Mini HDMI unit, which we're going to have over here. We also have inside here the control surface with the T-bar and toggle. I'm going to put that over here. You're also going to get your keyboard, your mouse, and it even includes the power supply. So this is a really well thought out thing. Let's look at this case over here, and you can see, they've really done a good job on this. This is a great value, and it's free. A free included part of these bundles when you get into them. So that's the case. This is the units here. Let's talk about this Mini a lot more. Okay, there's 2 versions that we have on sale of the Mini. This is the Mini with the screen. This screen will give you video output. You can see one of your inputs or the main output of the TriCaster Mini. It's $6,995. That's $1,000 savings. That's right, folks, $1,000 off. The same $1,000 savings applies to the complete bundle that you saw me take out of the case here. That bundle includes the case. It includes the Mini. It includes the control surface, keyboard and mouse, power supply. Great bundle, normally $99.95, and you save $1,000 on that, also making it $89.95. Now, folks, this is real amazing stuff. We've had deals from our vendors before, and it's great to have deals, but $1,000 off on a product like this is more than a 10% savings. And if you're a school, an education, corporate, now this product is under 10 grand, and there's nothing that comes close in this price range for delivering the value, performance, and feature set. And we're going to get into that feature set and talk a little bit about the advanced edition that's on this puppy as well. But I want to go into the other flavor, and that's the SDI one. Now, the SDI one has SDI inputs and outputs instead of HDMI inputs, 4 of them. That bundle comes down $2,000. That's right, $2,000 savings. That's ridiculous. So instead of $99.95, it's $79.95. You also save $2,000 on the complete bundle. So now the complete bundle of the TriCaster Mini SDI with the control surface, keyboard, mouse, hard case, under 10 grand, $9,995. That's a ridiculous deal. Very excited about it. We think it's the way to go, and definitely something there. Now, one of the things I said I was going to talk about was NDI. These products include NDI. NDI comes installed through Advanced Edition, which is on these TriCaster Minis when you buy this kit. That's a product that was selling for $2,000 or $1,000. It's in the bundle, the TriCaster Advanced Edition. Advanced Edition gives a lot of cool features. Let's bring this up full screen so the folks at home can follow along. It adds 4 virtual NDI inputs to your TriCasters. Now you can have your 4 HDMI inputs plus 4 NDI. You get superior second screen experiences. That's Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. You can import data directly from an Excel spreadsheet. You get advanced capabilities for your show, for live streaming to your audiences, sharing media, and exporting content to more online communities. It's definitely a cool thing to go with, and we recommend it highly. I want to talk a little bit about NDI now. NDI is a technology. We've done a bunch of shows on NDI. We had Dr. Cross on our show to talk about NDI. NDI is a protocol that allows devices to talk together in a production environment. And it's a two-way protocol. So NDI not only lets you take video out of your TriCaster, lets you get into your TriCaster. So with NDI-enabled devices, you can take via your network video into your TriCaster, but also your TriCaster can control those same devices via NDI, two-way communication. It's revolutionizing the industry. It means you don't have to run HDMI cables, you don't have to run SDI cables. You still can if you want to, but via NDI, you can use a single gigabit Ethernet and connect all your video production gear together. You want to use a switch that has power over Ethernet, because you can also power these products via the cable as well. So let's talk about one of the products that's also on special. That's the Connect Spark. There are two flavors of Connect Spark. What the Connect Spark is a SDI or HDMI converter, and it converts the signal. You get your SDI in with this one, and it converts it to NDI. Now that NDI can be connected to the world either via the internet, via wired port, or via Wi-Fi, which is super cool. So now you can use Wi-Fi to put it on a camera, and now that camera can come directly into your TriCaster Mini. Fantastic. The TriCaster, the NewTek Connect Spark comes in two flavors, folks. So you have the HDMI version, which is $4.99. Then you have the SDI version, which was $7.99. It's now on sale for $5.99. Now, when you take that premium down to just $200, $200 off, and now the premium is just $100 for SDI, that's really in the ballpark where I think it's a home run, folks. I love both these products. We've been selling them strong, but I thought the premium for the SDI was a little high at $100 for SDI. Gotta love it. $200 off. NewTek is just loading up on specials. And what else have they got for us? Whoa, 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 I went too fast. Up. They also have their new low price on the NewTek NDI HX PTZ camera. Well, I'm waving into one of those right now when I look at it. That's me. Hey, Mr. Camera. That's the NewTek NDI HX camera that we use as part of our workflow in our studio. And the new low price is $24.99, which means you save $200. So that's super cool on that product. But I skipped some software stuff, so I'm gonna double back a little bit, Eddie. I apologize for that. With this TriCaster Mini, you're getting Advanced Edition, which gives you complete NDI support. And with NDI, there's something I want to tell all TriCaster users about, but definitely you want to get if you have a TriCaster Mini, and that's the NDI tools. NDI tools are free download from NewTek that give you a whole suite of tools that you can use with your TriCaster. They also work with other NDI-aware products like Wirecast and vMix, but we're talking about the TriCaster Mini on this show. So what can that give you? It can give you NDI Studio Monitor, NDI VLC plugin. You can plug any kind of videos and straight from the computer that's running it, you can get straight into your TriCaster. You get test patterns, you get scan converter. We use scan converter here, folks. That's how we take the PowerPoints off of our computer here and play it into the presentation where you see it over the window right over there behind me. It gives you NDI for Adobe CC, which is super cool. That is a ability that if you have a computer running Adobe Premiere on your network, you can hit the space bar and play directly from the timeline into your TriCaster to go straight to air. No waiting for rendering. That's super cool. You get the NDI virtual input and Access Manager as well, which Access Manager lets you see all the other NDI products that are on your website. That's a free tool set. I also want to tell you about a tool that I don't think gets enough love called NewTek Connect Pro. Their tagline for it is connect hardware, software, and IP sources to any format. My tagline for it is turn your PC into an NDI Swiss Army knife. This thing does so much that if you put it on a PC in your network, and you can put it on 10 PCs if you want, it's $9.95 each time you put it on, but the Connect Pro gives you so many different features. You can install a capture card and now have NDI video coming into your network. You could do video over IP. You could get interoperability between the various IP standards. You can get integrated media playback. You can get a multi-viewer. You can get an NDI Connect web server that lets you see all the NDI aware products on your network. It's a great tool set for people in video productions, and it's just definitely something that if you're going to be doing a video show like we do, it's the most valuable thing you can put in your toolbox. NewTek Connect Pro, run it on a fast Windows-based PC. You will thank me for that tip. All right, now I want to get into some of the places where NewTek PTZ cameras are used, and PTZ cameras in general, because a lot of folks say, hey, Gary, you talk about PTZ cameras on the show a lot. You guys seem to really love them. What makes them so special? The thing that makes them most special is, I don't think you guys realize this, but we do this show essentially with two people. It's me and Eddie on the machine. Now, we've got someone else in there being an assistant producer, communicating with the outside world, making sure everything's running. But Eddie is essentially running the whole show. So he's running the PTZ cameras, he's moving them, fixing them, aligning them, and all that. And it's one-man show plus one-person talent. And that wouldn't be possible without a PTZ camera. So where do you see PTZ cameras? You see them in education, in classrooms, in entertainment. You can see them for gaming. If you're doing online gaming, esports, the PTZ cameras are great to have in the venue. You can use it for government if you're doing corporate boardrooms, town meetings, what have you. Great way for a PTZ camera. Professional AV, hey, if you could do a wedding video with it, it means you need one less camera operator. That could save, $500 to $1,000 in the cost of the wedding video. And then, of course, there's sports with these cameras as well in different venues. We are big fans of PTZ cameras, and if you have any questions about all the PTZ cameras we sell, give us a call, 800-323-2325. We have live people who can help tell you about the different PTZ cameras, the different features, why you want them, what makes one different from the other, and why we love the NewTek NDI HX one so much. Videomaker just did a review on the NewTek PTZ camera, and they loved it. So this was their quote that I'm going to read to you folks. The NewTek NDI HX PTZ1 camera offers a good-looking image and all the automated control one could want. Additionally, with NDI, the camera can operate with just one cable. Connection is easy, and the camera works as expected. In other words, it gets the job done, and that's super important. We're excited about that. All right. This was our show. We talked to you about the TriCaster Mini and how it's $1,000 off for the TriCaster Mini, $2,000 off for the SDI version. We also talked to you about the Connect Sparks. We also talked to you about the PTZ camera. Now what I want to talk to you about is bundles, bundles, bundles. Give us a call at 800-323-2325, and we would be happy to review the various gear we talked about here, put you in a bundle of multiple products. Maybe it's with the TriCaster and a Connect Spark and a camera. Maybe it's with the TriCaster and two Connect Sparks. Maybe you have one camera that's SDI, everything else is HDMI, so you get yourself a TriCaster HDMI, but you get a Connect Spark SDI, and that now will take your output of your SDI camera, turn it into NDI, so you can feed it into your TriCaster. It's such a clever converter. It works, the Sparks work Wi-Fi as well as wired. Phenomenal way to go. I do want to point out that NDI HX is not the same as full NDI, so you got to be either NDI HX or full NDI. We'll cover that in a different show than we have before, but we've got some great bundles that can really help you guys tremendously. I'm seeing some people are pinging us that the audio's out of sync. I hope it got back in sync. If it hasn't, I apologize, but the YouTube version will definitely be in sync. So why am I talking about these bundles? Because I want you, if you're interested in these products, give us a call at 800-323-2325. Shoot us an email. We'll tell you about the products, and I'm telling you guys, I can't go into it, but we always give you some kind of special deal, some kind of discount when you get a bundle together. Maybe it's a little bit off, maybe it's a free goodie. It could be, we're flexible on it, but give us a call if you're looking to get into the TriCaster Mini, because Videoguys can help you get the bundle of your dreams with big savings. And you already know you're going to save $1,000 to $2,000, $200 here. We're going to throw in even more savings if you call and get a bundle of goods. So call and ask for me, ask for Eddie, ask for Jim, ask for Janine. We're here to help you. All right, let's talk about what we have coming up on some future shows. What do we got? Well, on our next show, we're going to do a web streamer spotlight. We have Tess Protesto from Stream Geeks coming over. They do a great job. Tess works with Paul and they're Stream Geeks. They're also the folks from PTZ Optics. They do a great job. Love their shows. Love what they're doing with live weekly shows like we are. So we're kind of kindred spirits with that. We're going to talk about their shows, what they're doing, and how they're impacting their business and where they think they see the industry going with streaming. February 12th, we're having John Landman from Teradek come in, and we're going to do a kind of unboxing setup, how to use a Video Pro. Videogo. Videogo is their new cellular bonded product that they just started shipping. Very cool product, and we're going to go into all the features of that. And then February 19th, Bird Dog Live. We're going to go in the studio to present the NDI product line and to give you what their new PTZ cameras are coming in. Hopefully, we'll have demo units of their cameras on hand for that show. Can't make promises, but that's what we're hoping will happen. All right, so thank you for watching today's program, Video Guys Newsday Tuesday. You give us 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to tell you about the products we sell. We're going to give you some special offers. We're going to give you some special tips on technology and using stuff together. Today's show, TriCaster Mini, going to run down those specials again. $1,000 off on the TriCaster Mini Advanced HD4i. $2,000 off on the TriCaster Mini Advanced SDI. That's off on the unit itself or the unit in the bundle with the case, the whole big thing you saw over here. We also have $200 off on the Connect Spark SDI, bringing it to $599. Connect Spark HDMIs are still available for $499. And we have the NewTek PTZ Camera available for $200 off as well, bringing it to $24.99. So thank you for watching the show today. We hope you learned a lot. Remember, you can watch the show on our website at videoguys.com/live. Also want to make sure you know that you can see these shows later. It'll be on, well, if you're watching it later, you'll know that already, but we'll have the show on YouTube. We go live to Twitch. We go live to Facebook. Please tell your friends about us. Like us on the various things. Spread the word. Spread the love. Our shows are getting more and more viewers. Our Facebook Live show gets about 100 viewers, which is real exciting. Our YouTube videos get watched by thousands. We'd love to see that multiply by a factor of 10, and the only way we can do that is with your help. So please tell people about our show if you like it. If you don't like it, give us some comments. Let us know what we can do to make it better. You can always improve. But we thank you for logging in. And remember, at Video Guys, we have live people on the phone who can tell you about these products, how they work, how you can use them, how it can integrate with your existing equipment, or what other equipment you need to make it work really, really well and to be optimized. This is Gary from Video Guys. Video Guys Newsday Tuesday, Tuesdays at 2 p.m. You give us 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to tell you about the products we sell, the technology that's in the work that's out there, and about how this cool stuff is. So thank you for watching the show. This is Gary. Peace. Stop the presses. Late breaking news. After the webinar went live, we learned that TriCaster Advanced Edition version 3 is now announced to be released very soon, and even better, special offers if you buy a TriCaster Mini Advanced Edition today. So let's go into what's about Advanced Edition. We know what it does. It gives you hundreds of extra effects, full NDI integration, more inputs, more outputs, more cool features, more multi-camera, more creative data and control capabilities. Let's go into the exact details of what's in there, Eddie. Let's bring this slide up full screen so the folks at home can see it. You're going to get touchscreen support, Live Mat Pro Express mode. You're going to get PTZ control panels. You're going to get external recorders. I'm skipping some stuff, folks, because there's so many. Sports title templates, title export, adaptive monitoring, source switching, layer management. You can get multi-viewer volume sliders, multi-viewer transport controls, hardware-based encoding. So many great features in this puppy we're really excited about. But here's the best part, folks. This is how you get it. Basically, Advanced Edition 3 is normally $1,995. Intro Special $995 now through March 22nd, 19. But there's more that's better. If you buy the Advanced Edition for a TriCaster, if you bought Advanced Edition or a TriCaster Advanced in the past year, you update to version 3 before 2.14 for free. If you own an older Advanced Edition 1 or 2 and you upgrade, is half price. So if you have Advanced Edition 1 or 2 on your existing gear, it's $495. But here's the best part, folks. If you see that second bullet, that means if you buy a TriCaster Mini Advanced Edition today, these are the products we just told you are down. The Mini HDMI is $1,000 off. The Mini SDI is $2,000 off. You're going to be able to get the TriCaster Advanced Edition version 3 for free as long as you order and register by February 14th. Great job, NewTek. You made a great deal even better. TriCaster Advanced Edition 3 will have more shows on in the future, but this is a late-breaking news bulletin. Fantastic. Buy a TriCaster Mini today. Get Advanced Edition 3 for free if you do it by 2/14. Peace.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.